Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Virgo. Virgo people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Virgo people, in this reading, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings, right? So we have Page of Cups. Virgo people, this is your current energy. Now let's see what is the Ten of Pentacles. This is your partner's current energy. So, Page of Cups. With this card, Virgo people, I feel that somebody new is arriving in your life in terms of love and emotion things. And this person is genuinely wants to offer you something solid in love and emotional connection. Virgo people, I feel that a player is about to enter in your life, or they have arrived in your life, because this person is showing you what they are going to offer you, right? With this, their cup is not empty; their cup is filled. Okay, and perhaps they are going to give you false commitments, and this is not for all of you, but for some of you, either a genuine person is arriving in your life in terms of love and emotion, or a completely player is arriving in your life. So be aware and be open, right? Just keep your eyes and my mind open. Whoever is in your life right now, or whoever is has arrived in your life right now, please be aware. Open your mind, open your heart, and open your eyes. What Don't believe them in a one go, right? Just wait for the right time. So I feel that somebody new has arrived in your life, Virgo, right? In terms of love and emotion, and either they are the genuine person who genuinely wants to invest in you, who genuinely wants to offer their emotions to you, or else they are somebody who is a very, who is a big time player. Because if they are really genuine person, why would they show their cup to you? Okay, you will get to know what you will definitely get to know when the time will pass. You will definitely get to know whether this person is a cheat or this person is a genuine person, right? Okay, on the other hand, Ten of Pentacles. This is your person's card. Your person feels ignorant by something or someone. Perhaps you. They are feeling ignorant by you, Virgo. See, this is your person. They have everything in life, right? Be it money, be it finances, be it material things, be it family, be it friends, be it kids, be it animals. Okay, this person must have pets. Okay, you guys must be a married couple, right? Or you can be a married couple. So with this Ten of Pentacles card, your person has everything in life, but still they feel ignorant. Okay, I feel this is your person who is sitting here, okay, and doing nothing. They are playing with these two dogs, but they are like they are feeling ignorant by you. I feel that it's you who is not giving enough attention to this person. Okay, and perhaps you are busy in talking with somebody new, or someone is there in your life. Okay, and you must be busy in talking with them. That's why your person is feeling ignorant, and that thing is really making them sick and tired, right? Now let's see, Virgo people, how you see them and how they see you. How you see them and how they see you. Magician. Virgo people, with this magician card, you see them as somebody who has everything in life. Okay, I told you they are, with this card 10 of pentacles, they have everything in life, be it money, finances, or prosperity, abundance, family, friends, relatives. They have everything in life. And similarly, you also see them as somebody who has everything in within them, who has everything in life, right? They are somebody who loves to take action. They are energetic, they are passionate, they have emotions, they have abundance, they have prosperity, they have financial support, stability in their life. So you see them as somebody who is like completely a magician to you. Okay, you, whenever you say something to them, they immediately, respond, or they immediately fulfill your wishes. So for you, they are like magician, right? For you, they create wonders. For you, they create magic. Okay. On the other hand, your person sees you as somebody with King of Pentacles card, that, okay, see, if you guys are married, okay, this particular thought for the married couples only. So if you guys are married, your person sees you as somebody who has everything in life. Okay, because I told you that in this 10 of pentacles card, some of you are married to your partner. Okay, so from that perspective, your person sees you, that you are being king of pentacles. You have a lot of things in life, you have a lot of abundance in life, you have all the material things in life, you have, a good reputation in society, or within social circles. Okay, so they see you as somebody who has everything in life. Okay, now for those who are not committed, or I mean who are not married yet, for those people, your person feels about you that you have a lot of things in life. Okay, you have achieved certain goals in your life, you have, accomplished a lot of things on your own. Okay, and you have uh, achieved this throne with all your efforts, right? But something is there which bothers you, something is there which kills you inside out, and that is your void, that is the emptiness, right? You are on top, but there is no one to share your emotions. You feel alone, you feel aloof, you feel left out by people. Okay, perhaps people scared of you there. Okay, perhaps people want to talk to you, but they couldn't. Okay, so yes, that's how your person sees you. I mean, that's how you see them. Okay, now let's see how you feel about them. How you feel about them and how they feel about you. How you feel about them and how they feel about you, Virgo people. Virgo people. So we have 8 of Pentacles. Your Virgo people, your person Virgo people, you feel about them as they are somebody who is a money minded person. Okay, and who is a workaholic person, who always wants to work, who doesn't see day and night. They just work continuously, they just work 24/7. They are somebody who has no time for you, who has no time to know your emotion, who has no time for to talk to you. Okay, that's why you are being someone who that's why you are yeah, that's why you feel ignorant, or maybe that's why you want somebody else to share your emotions, right? And the moment you start talking to somebody else, your person feels ignorant. On the other hand, with this Hierophant card, they feel about you, to Virgo people, that you are somebody who is, in a lot of discussion with people. Perhaps this is just because of just due to your business or your finances things. So your person feels about you that you spend a lot of your time or most of your time with your associates or your business partners or your colleagues or your friends. Okay, but when it comes to them, you don't. So you don't have time for them. Okay, now let's see what is going to be the, I mean, how you how you feel in this relationship and how they feel in this relationship, Virgo people. Virgo people, let me tell you one thing very clearly. Okay, no matter from how hard your time is right now with your partner, there is love between you and your person. Okay, first I'll discuss these two cards. Virgo people, you feel in this relationship as a Four of Wands and Wheel of Fortune. No matter how many arguments are there within you, between you two people, right? No matter how many fights there is between you two people, but you genuinely feel blessed to have them, right? You genuinely wants to be with them, right? Those who are married, those who are married couple feel really really blessed to have your partner, right? Virgo people, you feel that they are the answer of your prayers. You feel them as they are the biggest blessings of your life. Perhaps you are not, this is not the correct time for you to be together, or perhaps your relationship is going through a lot of hurdles right now, but it's okay. When the time will be correct, everything will be fine. And for those who are not married, who are still in dating period, I am seeing a celebration for you, Virgo people. There is a grand celebration is happening for you, and and when the correct time will become with this Wheel of Fortune, everything will take place. Okay, everything is definitely going to take place, right? On the other hand, your person feels in this relationship Two of Cups. They feel loved. They feel joy. They genuinely cherish you, right? It's okay if they are ignoring you. Perhaps this is just because of their work. Maybe they are not deliberately ignoring you. Okay, perhaps they are genuinely busy somewhere. Okay, but yes, at the end of the day, they feel connected with you. They feel emotions for you and mutual emotions. Okay, I'm seeing a big time or a long term association is happening between you and your person, right? Now let's see what is going to be the future potential for Taurus. What's going to be the future potential for Taurus people? Oh, I'm really sorry, I said Taurus. It is Virgo. Future potential for Virgo. Knight of Swords. Somebody or someone is taking a step towards the other person. It could be you, Virgo, it could be them. Someone is there, someone is definitely going to take a step towards the other person. And that could be in a good way, right? Someone is definitely going to take certain action towards the other person. I feel, Virgo people, it is them. They are going to offer, they are going, or they are coming towards you. Oh my god, yes, perfect timing. That's what I was saying with this Wheel of Fortune card. You need to wait for the perfect timing. When the time will be correct, everything will be on place, right? Okay, so Virgo people, I feel that some of you could be dealing with another earth sign with this Eight of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, and Ten of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Some of you could be dealing with water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this Two of Cups and Page of Cups. Some of you could be dealing with fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Four of Wands. And we have Taurus in this reading, another earth sign with this Hierophant. And some of you could be dealing with air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Knight of Swords. Okay. So Virgo people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.